On top story for today for T-Live Media, Governor Godwin Obaseki don't tell Nigerians say make dem not let the price wey the fallen heroes, that one na soldiers wey go fight war, wey dem pay to take make sure say we country not separate. We ogbonge governor talk this one when he waka go 2019 Armed Forces Remembrance Day wey shele for Oba Ovorame Square for Benin City for we state here. Governor Obaseki said this one an event to take remember the soldiers wey fight to take keep we nation together. Say now because of the sacrifice wey dem pay, now make us still get this country today. So make we not look am as small thing. And make we not forget whether we be politicians, public servants and citizens, say people do ogbonge sacrifice to take make sure say we stay together. When we governor come they talk about how to support the family of these fallen heroes them, we governor come talk say arrangements dey ground to take support the family welfare. Governor Obaseki talk say Nigerian government fit still do more to take make sure say military men and officers wey still dey service they receive support, even as e be say Nigerian government gets limited resources, but room always dey for improvement.
Those who fought to keep this country together, it's because of their efforts and the sacrifices they made that we still have a country today, and so we shouldn't take it for granted. For people who are old enough to have witnessed the Civil War, this country was tested and was at its brink, and we thank God that we still have our country, Nigeria, and therefore we should always not forget in every day of our life, in our moments of reflection, either as politicians or as public servants or just ordinary citizens, that there was a price was paid for this country, for our unity, and we should never take it for granted. The institutional arrangements, we continue to interact with them. We continue to support the activities of the legionnaires. As you can see, there are structures in place to at least cater somewhat to their medical needs. I, as a routine, provide financial support and some succor to the families of our fallen heroes. They could do more within the limits of resources we have. They are trying, but like I said, there's scope for improvement, and that's what this is all about. So that annually we should remember them and know that we need to, do a bit more for them.
As they be for the event, we governor and some ogbonge people where waka go for the remembrance come lay wreaths, then fly flag and throw away 21 gunshots to take honor the fallen heroes then.
Present! Fire! Get up!
And so we see am reach on top story for today, on top how Governor Godwin Obaseki don't take go pay in own homage, give the fallen heroes them, where don't do ogbonge sacrifice to take keep with nation together.